Welcome back to the HUD, everyone. I'm Zacharoni, and last time I met a cat that I couldn't pronounce his or her name right. Paki. Paka. Is that how you pronounce it? Paka? Complain about a cheap death. Oh, come on! And discovered an Easter egg that is actually a weapon to use in the game. Be a birthday present, and you get a cloud sword. Now we shall continue where we left off, and if you haven't seen the first two parts, go and watch those first and come back here later. But those who have, please be seated, and here are the leftovers of the Dishwasher Vampire Smile, Part 3. Just cyborgs of... yeah. Got them on do key card, huh? Let's go up. Oh, wait, why don't we just buy some things? Moon bread, moon fish, restored HP. Eatings. Let's buy some more moon bread. Let's see, Ethan Kitty. Make your health regenerate for a little while. Nah, I think I'm good. Let's keep moving. Oh, guess nothing's in up there. Oh boy. Ooh. Is it supposed to happen or what? Oh, I guess I can use the key card. Let me test something. Oh, maybe I should change the blood color just for censorship. Too late for that. I'll just have to see what happens, really. Will YouTube appreciate it or not? Ah, yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, I think setting it at a high resolution caused some problems, really. Yeah, let's just stick with that one. So I guess some resolutions don't really work well with others. Oh boy. What the? Did he just kill himself? I swear, he just killed himself. Bang! want me to go up there, but I'm trying to. Maybe you want me to do that, really. Whoa! Another flashback. Oh boy. Oh boy. Don't let it hold me. Just keep pressing the A button. Just keep pressing the A jump button, I should say. Oh, made it. Whoa boy. Whoa. Wow! Nice. Bah. Beautiful. A Gatling, a gun. Nice. Come here, you. I guess I only switch to the machine gun. Now let's see what we got here. Now what? Whoa. Breaking love. Breaking money, breaking joy. Excellent. The nightmare makes me stronger. I wouldn't say stronger, really. Maybe define the word stronger, if that makes sense. Chain of electricity, huh? I guess we can try that. Whoa. Gruesome. Not so fast, you. Cool. How can he block my attacks with just a nightstick? Sweet. Sweet.
Frank is pleased
What the?
to introduce F3, Fatalistic Financial Forecasting.
What?
Extend your destiny the Emoto way. Frank, banking, love, infinity.
I'm sorry, but what? What was that all about? Well, I guess we'll figure that out later, but... Oh, we got company. Any more? Nope, no more. And strike. We got a bag of squid chips. How can you make squids into chips anyway? Crips or crips. Well, I really can't say the word Walker's crisps, right? Well, not all the time. Crits. Another box. What's in here? Squid bread. Well, it just said restore my health, but now I just need to figure out where to go next. Oh! Did it want me to go this way? It's easy to defeat those drones. Just grab them, then slam them to the ground. Oh boy. This game is just throwing everything at me. And I mean everything. Okay, that's the end of part 3. Check back with me later for part 4 for October as I clean up the mess in the dishwasher. And if you like what you see, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. But until then, I'm Zacharoni. Enjoy your pizza, and I'll see you next time.